to Healthy After School Snacks. Quick and easy and healthy, but don't tell anyone. I'm Kimberly Baum for Recipes for Success in partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. And today we're going to talk about a different kind of after-school snacks. Now, I know a lot of people really love a nice sweet pick-me-up after school. But here's the thing, not everyone does. I have a son who loves strong, powerful flavors. And if you gave him a choice between, a brownie and a pickled egg, he'd probably take the pickled egg. He loves those strong, tart, powerful flavors. And this is one he always used to like. It's called dusted veggies, but we're gonna dust them with a chili lime adobo seasoning. Now you can use chili seasoning, chili powder, anything you want, but you want a little bit of garlic in there. You want something with a flavor punch. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. We're gonna take carrots, because they're so crunchy, and we're gonna just cut them into long strips. Now, carrots are a little hard to cut. So you might, if you're not really sure about your knife skills, get a grown-up to help you. But just all you need is a couple of long strips, like so. I'm just gonna do a couple more. You don't want them matchstick. You want them enough so you got something to pick up, something that when you bite into it, you know you bit something. So carrots are a good choice. I'm going to use a little bit of celery. Celery's mostly water, but that's why it has such a lovely crunch. And I love celery, and it takes on, because it doesn't have a lot of flavor itself. You've noticed that, I bet. But it takes on the flavors of other things. So I love a nice bit of celery and all sorts of foods that I eat. And of course, celery and onion and chicken, nothing goes better. But today we're just talking about a nice after-school snack. So far I've got celery, I've got carrots, and you're gonna say, what's that big, ugly, rooty looking thing? Well, it's a big, ugly, rooty kind of thing. It's called jicama. And if you never tried it, you've missed out. What jicama is, it's a root, and or a tuber to be exact. And it's a little tough to peel, especially since a lot of stores protect the peel by putting it in wax. So don't try to use a conventional peeler. Just use a good sharp knife or have a grown-up take your peel it for you. But what you're going to do is take this root and you're going to turn it into strips, just like so. And I'm going to take these strips and make them just a little thinner, like so. And what these taste like, you're probably wondering, they look a lot like potatoes, but they don't taste like potatoes. They're juicy and a little sweet. If an apple had a head-on collision with a carrot, it would taste a little bit like jicama. They're great in salads. They're full of fiber. You know how grown-ups are about fiber. But they're so good for you. And so we're just going to put some strips of jicama in my tray, just like so. Kind of pretty there, isn't it? But we want to lay things out so you don't want them to be piled up. You want things to have room for the dusting. Then I'm going to take a lime. I love lime. I think limes are overlooked a lot. A lot of times people love lemon, and I love lemon, don't get me wrong, but lime has its own wonderful flavor. And what I'm going to do is just take a bit of lime and squeeze it all over these. Give them a little bit of a shake. And then I'm going to take this chili lime adobo seasoning. Ooh, cumin and coriander and, oh yeah, a little bit of garlic. Oh, it smells fabulous. And I'm just going to give it a good sprinkle. And then a little more. What? What's that you say? A little more? You wild thing, you. All right. And then we're just gonna give everything a little bit of a toss. Well, maybe not that much of a toss. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. My tongue is doing a happy dance right now. Oh, this is amazing. Now, normally I like sweets, but this is a wake up and dance kind of dance party in my mouth. Give this a try. You'll love it. It makes a great after-school snack. Makes good party food, too.